In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks to favorites in ClickUp. We'll start from the overview area of your team space, also called your workspace overview. This is the hub where you get a snapshot of what's going on across your work. Make sure you're logged into ClickUp and that you can see the left sidebar and the main dashboard. If you're not on the overview page yet, open your team space and head to the overview section so we're looking at the same place. From here, open any project you want to work in. Projects are the containers for your tasks and lists, so pick the one where your task lives. Clicking into a project will load its lists, board, or whatever view you last used. Give it a second to load if your workspace is large. Next, open the specific task you want to favorite. You can do this by clicking its task name anywhere you see it, on a list, board card, or in a search result. The task opens in a panel or full view showing details like status, assignees, due dates, and comments. Make sure the task is fully visible so you can access the controls at the top. Now look to the top right of the task window. You'll see the three-dot menu, also known as the overflow menu. Right near that, there's a star icon or a favorites option. Click the star or select favorites. When it's added, the star typically fills in or changes color to confirm it worked. That's it, you've favorited the task. A few quick tips to make this more useful. Favoriting a task is personal to your account, so it won't affect other teammates. Favorited items are easy to reach from the favorites section in your sidebar or top bar, depending on your layout. This is perfect for tasks you check daily, like blockers, approvals, or deadlines. If you don't immediately see the change, refresh the page and it should appear under favorites. And if you ever change your mind, click the star again to remove it. The task will disappear from your favorites list, but stays exactly where it belongs in the project. To recap, you went to your workspace overview, opened a project, selected a task, and clicked the star or favorites near the three-dot menu. With that, you've created a quick shortcut to your high-priority work and saved yourself time every day. Keep your favorites list focused so the tasks you add truly stand out. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.